In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to send videos in Gmail. Let's get started. First, launch your Gmail app. Then click on the option Compose. Now go ahead and type in the recipient's email address. Now, in order to attach the video, you will need to click on this icon given at the top. Now, several options will appear. Go ahead and select the option of your choice. I'm going to select photos. Now, I'm going to select this one video. In case the file is too big to attach normally, don't worry because Gmail automatically uses Google Drive for large files. If the video file is small, Gmail will attach it directly to the email. However, if the file is too big, Gmail will automatically upload it to Google Drive and display it as a small banner inside the message instead of a normal attachment. You can add a subject like this title and click on this icon of send. With this, the video will be sent. So this is how you can easily send videos using Gmail. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.